Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talking about this product name is Liketonline a cooling ace. So you should buy this product or not, and what are the major problems of this product. Okay, so basically Liketonline is a very popular product and you have seen so many advertisement on your social media accounts, and you want to know like does it really give you cooling or not. So my dear friends, I want to show you something. I have already done a lots of videos on this topic, like you can see over here there are so many topics like Miggy Life cooling ace, out fancy cooling ace, cool breeze cooling ace, and out fancy cooling ace. You can see sheet amp cooling ace, and Gloricity cooling ace, Libby cooling ace, or Yoder cooling ace. So there you can see like I have already done so many videos on this topic with the name of cooling ace. So I want to tell you like this is not a unique you can say like product. It's a totally dropshipping product, and if we talk about like dropshipping product are totally waste of money. Okay, and the pictures, or you can select the advertisement as they shown in the you can select on your social media accounts, all are false claim. You are not going to get any kind of cooling related to advertisement. Okay, and when you purchase product there is a very big issue related to return and refund. Okay, so my dear friends, I would like to tell you like you should not try, otherwise you are going to regret why you have purchased these kind of you can say like cooling aids. And the thing is, it's not a worthy product. It's a totally waste of money product, and it will not provide you enough cooling. As you can see, they have provided like very low sound and you will get enough coolings and all, but all these kind of images are AI generated and all are totally waste of money. Okay, so if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.